Teachers and my friends, my name is Priyansh Kumar. I am 18-year-old and I have passed my 12th class from Target Senior Secondary School, Chomu. I am from Jauta, Jaipur. I I am going to talk about the business world. A business is an activity or organization that creates or provides products and service for the market. Business is a general term that can be used to describe many different kinds of organizations, from small local enterprises to multinational corporations. The following are some examples of business: an individual who sets up a business as a sole
Proprietor.
proprietor, partnerships or corporations, a company that offers good or service to consumers in return for money, a company that makes products and sells them to the other companies or consumers, a non-profit organization. Business is an activity or corporation that involves the exchange of money, goods or service for something of value. The importance of business is crucial for the success of any company. It is a critical component in the operation of any business, and it is what helps companies to grow and prosper. The importance of business can be seen in the way society views it. The value that a business provides to society is what drives its success, not just how much profit it makes. In the past, people tended to think of jobs as a way of making money and business as a means of making a profit. However, in recent years, there has been a shift in this perspective. In today's world, business are not just about making a profit, and job seekers are not just looking for work. Instead, both can be seen as an opportunity for growth and development. A business is an entity that engages in the production or trade of goods or service with the aim of generating profit from its activities. A business can be either privately owned or publicly owned. The owners may be individually, corporations, cooperatives, or other entities such as charities or partnerships. The success of country is largely dependent on the role of business in the country. Business are vital to a country economy, providing jobs and opportunities for people.